Our AI system just made 25 UGC video ads in under an hour without writing a single script, filming a single scene, or even editing a single clip. We just plugged Claude Cowork, the part of Claude that actually browses websites, manages files, runs full workflows on its own directly into Arc Ads. And what came out? Honestly, guys, what came out is kind of scary. Claude does the research first, it studies your market, it pulls real reviews, it analyzes what hooks are actually converting, and then it writes the scripts and it picks the actors. Then Arc Ads takes all of that knowledge and it turns it into realistic video ads, and it's all powered by Seedance 2.0. So you get real actors, real voices, and real movements. And the best part is that you don't need a creative team anymore. Claude Cowork is your creative agent, and now it has direct access to Arc Ads. So this system researches, it writes, and it produces hundreds of finished video ads without you doing a single thing. So in this video, I'm about to show you the full setup, and if you want to follow along, I'll leave the link to Arc Ads down in the description below. And also, we have a free school community where I drop all of the workflows like this one every single week. So every prompt in this video is going to be in there and it's ready for you to copy. But right now, let's hop over to the PC and let's get started. Cool, so before we build anything, let's start off with the setup. If you skip this, then nothing is going to work. So follow this exactly. You are going to need 4 things before we start building. First, you are going to need Claude Desktop. Okay, so download the app and then install it. Then open it up and you'll see 3 tabs at the top. It's going to be Chat, Cowork, and Code. And for this one, we are using Cowork. Now you go over to the settings and then to the desktop app and then over to General. And now you need to turn on 2 things, the browser use and computer use, and it'll ask you for accessibility and screen recording permissions. Then you just basically grant both of those, and then you restart the app and you make sure they both show as granted. Okay, super important. Now without these, the agents can't touch your files or open any of the websites. Okay, now that's number 1 done. Now we're getting on to number 2, and that is your Anthropic API key. So you head over to console.anthropic.com and then you click API keys and then create key. Then you're just going to name it whatever you want, and then you copy it immediately and you save it somewhere else. Then you're going to go over to billing and you're going to add in $10 to $20 in credits, and that's more than enough for at least a few weeks of running this. And this is what powers every task. Claude runs in the background. Now without it, the agent has basically no brain. Okay, so that's number 1 and 2 done. Now we're getting over to number 3, and that is Arc Ads sign up. Okay, now let's sign up for Arc Ads. So make sure to upgrade to the Pro plan so that you have API access and you can use Arc Ads with Claude. So I'll leave a link for Arc Ads in the description below. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to go over to settings, you're going to click public API, and then you're going to hit generate credentials. And after that, you'll get 3 things. You'll get a client ID, you'll get a client secret, and an authorization header. Copy all 3 and then just save them somewhere. Now, this is what gives Claude direct access to generate videos. Now, without it, you'd be doing everything manually, which is kind of not what we want to do. Now, Arc Ads has a bunch of AI video models that are available, but in this video, we are going to be using Seedance 2.0 because it gives us the best results for UGC ads. And now for the 4th thing that you are going to need, it is the Claude in Chrome extension. You are going to install it from the Chrome Web Store. Then you're just going to click the extension icon in your toolbar, and you're going to make sure that it is connected to the same Claude account as your Claude desktop. Now, without this, Claude can't reach Arc Ads. So this is another step that is super important. Now you're going to save all of your keys somewhere safe, and that's basically because you are going to need them for setting up our connection. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, it's time to move on to building our workspace. Okay, so now we are going to open up Cowork and we need to build the folder structure where everything lives. So I'm going to my desktop and then I will create a folder and I'll call it Chocolate Ads. Now, in that folder, I'm going to create 3 subfolders. So the first is for briefs, the second is for scripts, and the last is for the videos. Now, after that, I'm going to select my Chocolate Ads folder as my working folder in the bottom left, and then now it's time to actually add our API keys so that all of this can start working. Now, you never actually want to paste these directly into the chat. Instead, what you want to do is we are going to ask Claude to create a .env file. Okay, now it's time for us to add in our prompts. So you can actually grab the prompts from our free school community. Remember, link is in the description below, and then you're just gonna paste in your actual keys where it says to, and then you just hit enter. And once Claude confirms that your file is saved, your workspace is now ready. So now it's time for us to run our agent. Now this is where all of this gets so good. Okay, before Claude Cowork can write the ads, it needs to understand your product. So you are not going to create a product brief in the briefs folder. Just a simple text file of what your product is, who buys it, what problems it solves, the price, and where to get it. Okay, so for Belder, I wrote out our customer is people who buy premium chocolates as a gift or for themselves, age 25 to 45. They are mostly women who care about quality ingredients and beautiful packaging. And I also included some extra notes on how they talk about chocolate, what frustrates them about cheap mass-produced brands, and also what makes Belder so different from all the competition. It's a single origin cacao, it's handcrafted in small batches, and it's at a $20 price point. But if you do want to take this even further, all you have to do is just give Cowork your competitors' video ads and let it analyze them for you. Then you just ask it about your niche and who you should be targeting, and then it actually does all the research for you before writing a single script. Now, to save you some time, there is a product brief template that is inside the free school community. All you have to do is that you just fill in your own brand details, and that's going to make things so much easier. Now, once that file is in the briefs folder, then you just paste in the first prompt from the school guide. Now, I want you to take a look at this. It already pulled out the exact pain points from our brief. It matched them to the hook angles, and it built a full plan across cold, warm, and retargeting audiences. We didn't tell it how to split that up. It just figured it out from the brief. Now, all you have to do is just review it. Now, if something feels off, you just tell Claude to adjust it. This step is what makes every script that follows actually hit. Once the plan looks right, you then hit it with the second prompt, which writes all the scripts and scores them, and it automatically only approves scripts that are rated 9.5 or above. So you don't need to worry about a bad script. Now, watch this. Our scripts are being written in a few minutes, and everything saves straight to your scripts folder. We didn't touch a single thing. Your scripts are now done. Now Claude needs faces. This is actually the fun part. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab prompt 3, and this prompt lets Claude open Arc Ads on its own and start browsing through all of the actors. It's now filtering by the age, the gender, and the vibe, and then it matches each script to the right person. It's literally casting people for our ads, and it's doing all of that for us. And literally in just a few minutes, all our models are selected. And I mean, that's it. It is time to give it the final approval to generate all your ads. You can do that by simply just adding the fourth prompt and then leaving it running for a bit so that it can generate all 25 ads for us. Claude submits every script to Arc Ads. Cdance 2.0 generates the videos. Claude checks back every 30 seconds until they are all done. And when it's finished, it tells you. Your ads are sitting in your videos folder then, and it's ready to upload and just run. Now, let's take a look at some of the ads that we got, okay?
Okay, so my friend sent me this chocolate box called Bellera, and look at this packaging. It's gorgeous. 9 pieces, all different flavors. I just tried the dark cacao one, and I'm not even exaggerating. This is the best chocolate I've ever had. Bellera.com, 20 bucks. Go. Okay, so I just found the most insane chocolate box, and I need to talk about it. Every time I try to give someone chocolates, it's always the same boring stuff that honestly tastes like wax. This one though, creamy, every single actually melts in something different. I got it from my mom, and she literally called me twice to say how good they were. Twice. My mom never calls. Links right below.
Take a look at this one. Do you see this? Now, that's not a real person. That's actually fully AI. The face, the voice, the movement, and it's reading a script that Claude wrote from our product brief. You'd scroll past this on TikTok and, just be honest, you would never even question it. And remember, we made 25 of these. Different actors, different hooks, different angles, all from one product brief and just 4 prompts. And I mean, when we're taking a look at the result, you gave Claude a product brief for Balder. It wrote 25 scripts. It picked the actors, it generated every video, and it downloaded everything without you touching a single thing. Now just think about what this would cost if we did this the traditional way. Agencies would charge about $3,000 to maybe $8,000 a month for about 10 to 15 videos. This system just produced 25 in one session, so you can run complete brand campaigns in just a few minutes. But you see, here's where it gets even more powerful. This is the part that literally most people just miss. After your ads have been running for about 48 hours, you'll have real performance data. You'll have the CTR, you'll have the CPM, the cost per result for every single variation. All you do is you take that data and you paste it back into Claude. And then Claude breaks down exactly what's working, which hooks are grabbing attention, which actors are driving clicks, which scripts are actually converting. And then it rewrites the next batch based on real data, not on assumptions, not guesses, actual numbers from your ads. Every cycle it compounds because Claude isn't starting from scratch anymore. It's now building on what's already working. And that's the difference between using AI once and building a system that gets smarter every single time you run it. And you see, that's the full setup. From zero to a fully automated UGC ad engine for your product. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn a little bit more, then what you should do is join our free school community. Every prompt, every template, every file from this video is in there and it's ready to copy. I also drop in new workflows every single week, and a lot of the best stuff never makes it to YouTube. So I'm pretty sure you are going to want to check it out. The link is down in the description, and also, since you made it till the end, I'm pretty sure that you had a lot of fun with me today. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications so that you never miss another upload. Check out one of the videos popping up on the screen right now, and I will catch you on the next one.